Hi, today we are going to work with to be able to draw straight line graph by using equation of line. Now, the first thing we are going to work with is y is equals to 2x plus 3, the values of x from negative 5 to positive 5. Now, according to this equation, I will draw my calculations. I will do my calculations on separate paper here. So y is equals to 2x plus 3. Now 2 and x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 from the given values. Then y is equals to 2. X is again going to negative 5 plus 3. I know that I have these two values. Now just to support my line, I will do y is equals to 2, 0 plus 3. So we are putting x is 0. Now all I'm doing is I'm calculating the values. Y is equals to negative 10 plus 3, and this gives me negative 7 here, and this gives me y is equals to 10 plus 3, which makes it 13. So 13, negative 7 and 3. Now every time when I put x as 3 or 5 or 0, I'm getting the values of y. So now I will draw this table. X is equals to 5 and then y is equals to 13. If I'm placing x as 0, I'm getting y as 3. If I'm placing x as negative 5, I'm getting y as negative 7. Now I'll plot these values on the graph. For graph, I will use my textbook, my copybook, sorry. Here, I'm going to mark these points, these specific values, 5 and 13, 0, 3, and negative 5 and 7. So 5 and 13, I don't have till 13, so I will draw it manually. I have 10 here, so let me mark 11, 12, and 13. Now, same way, I will now look at the value of 5 and I will look at the point 13. I will mark my coordinate value here. Now, the second one is 0 and 3. So, x is 0, y is 3. Now, x is 0 and y is 3. So, I'll mark it here. And then x is negative 5, y is negative 7. So x is negative 5 means that I have to look at this value, negative 5. And then accordingly I have negative 7. So negative 7 is, let me show you, this one is negative 7 here. So I will join, I'll mark the point, coordinate point here. I have to join these points together. Now here, this one, I connected all the 3 points together in one go with the ruler. So I got straight line graph with the 3 coordinate points which I generated by using my line of equation. So this is 5 and 13, x is 5, y is 13. This one, x is 0 and y is 3. So x is here 0 and 3. And now for this one, x is negative 5 and y is negative 7. So negative 5 and negative 7. This one, I will write them down. Remember the equation I used, y is equals to mx plus c, or y is equals to mx plus b. This is what I did. Now let's look at another example. Y is equals to 3x minus 1. Again, for value of x, I'm going to substitute different values. So for x, I will say when x is equals to negative 4, when x is equals to 0, and when x is equals to positive 5. Remember, when I put the value of x, I will find my value of y. Because on my right hand side, just by substituting negative 4, I will find the value of y. By substituting 0, I will find the value of y. Substituting 5, I will find the value of y. So y is equals to 3 times negative 4, which is first value of x, negative 1. This makes y. Now next one, y is equals to 3. For this one, I'll place 0, negative 1, and y is equals to 3, 5, negative 1. So I'll solve them. This becomes 4 3s are 12, negative 1. This makes negative 13. So I'll mark negative 13 here. This becomes negative 1 eventually, because 3 times 0 is 0. And then this becomes 15 minus 1 makes it 14. So I will write here 14 is my value. So now when x is negative 4, y is negative 13. When x is 0, negative 1. And when x is 5, y is 14. Sorry, when x is 5, y is 14. Yes. So now I'm going to draw this on my graph. I will draw the graph, simple graph the way I did earlier. Remember, these values need to be marked on the grid here. So I will put the values here now. X negative 4, y is here. So now x is negative 4, and as per the equation, y is going to be negative 13. So I mark the point here where y is negative 13 and x is negative 4. According to these two values, I have to mark my coordinate point. So this point is here, x is negative 4, y is negative 13. X is 0 and y is negative 1. So I will look x is 0 here and y negative 1 at this point. And then along with that, accordingly, I will move on to the next point. X is 5, y is 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then y 14 means I have to go all the way up. And I will mark y 14th value because I have 13th here. I'll mark my 14th value. And now this is 14, 5 and 14. I want 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 14. I'll mark this point here at this point. Now I'm going to join all these three together. Let me join this point, this second point where 5 and 14 is my mark here, and then this is 0 and negative 1, and then negative 13. Okay, now I join this by a straight line, by a ruler, and this is what I got as my straight line graph. Now what we have done so far is we used y is equals to mx plus c. So this is it. For any comments, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.